Good morning. Welcome back to the mountain. It's an early one this morning, guys. It's about 6 o'clock this morning. I've been out here for about 45 minutes getting things ready. Today we're going to start on the septic tank. Uber is set up and ready to go. She's lined up with where the line needs to go. We're going to dig a trench right through here to right over here, and then we'll dig a big old hole for the septic tank and then start running the leach lines. I got Ryder out here chasing bugs early this morning, getting ready for the day's work. Are you ready? Ryder's ready. I'm ready. Are you ready? Let's get it. All right, guys, we're making some progress. I got the actual drain line dug out. It's a little rocky in some places, but all in all, not too bad. I'm gonna have to get in there with a shovel and a rake and kind of level it out a little bit. And then I'm gonna put some of the rock down at the bottom. That way I can pack it down and get the slope that I'm looking for all the way down to the tank. Ryder's been playing in the ditch, likes all of that dirt. All right, now we're to the point where I need to start digging out for the actual septic tank. This is going to be a pretty big hole right here, so it's probably going to take a little time. I've never dug a hole that big with Uber before, so I don't even know how deep it can get. I might have to dig it out some and then go to the front side, dig it out, and make it to where I can get my bucket down in there to dig. I don't know how deep I can actually get with the backhoe, but we're about to give it a shot. Making some progress this morning, making some progress. I know one thing, I'm glad I got Uber with a backhoe, because boy, that would have been a lot of digging with a shovel. And with all of those rocks, yeah, it would have made for quite a few long days. All right, not much talking this morning, guys. Let's get back at it. We are making some progress, guys. I don't know if the camera will do it any justice, but that is one big hole right there for the septic tank. So we got the drain from the toilet to the septic tank, and now the next step is start digging the leach line. I'm gonna go out about 100 foot that way, and with the leach line I'm gonna dig it a lot deeper than I did the actual drain line, because I'm gonna put a pretty deep bed of rock up underneath it. That way it's got plenty of room to do its drainage thing without it getting back up into the leach line. But we are making some pretty good progress. It's only about 9:30 this morning and I've already dug all of that right there. And the digging hasn't been too bad so far. There is some pretty good sized boulders in here. But Uber's been able to handle it fine. So far so good. Hopefully we can have good luck all the way through this project, because I need this one to go smoothly. I need to get this one behind me so I can get into the tiny house there and get the plumbing done and the toilet set. I talked to Country Road Cure this morning, Anthony over there, and they're gonna come Wednesday and help me out with getting all of that set up. So looking forward to that. And I'm also gonna put a water filtration system in there as well, because the water out here, not that great. Real hard, and it turns everything orange. So hopefully installing a filter system in the tiny house right there will help fix that issue a little bit. All right guys, enough talking. We're gonna get back at it. Let's go. Whew. I just walked over here, take a look at how the campsite's coming. It is looking good. There's a lot of stumps that's gonna have to come up, and little roots and stuff, but definitely getting it. Looks like you're making some progress.
Whew. About ready to take the teeth off the blade and start leveling it out a little bit more. Get them loppers and start getting some of them roots up. Even with the teeth down, some of the roots still aren't coming out.
Yeah.
Making progress though.
You're gonna have that. It's looking a lot better. I think this is gonna be ample room for the campers.
Oh man.
If they set their tents up right where they could have a common area in the middle, that'd be cool. Set a little fire pit over here.
You'd be able to get, we could put one camper right in there.
Yeah. All right guys, well that's gonna be about it for today. We will pick back up in the morning with putting the pipe in, and they're supposed to be setting the septic tank tomorrow too. So I don't know if that'll be on here or not. It all depends on the company and if they want to be shown or not. But either way, we're gonna get the septic tank done tomorrow. Come on. Well, good morning guys. Well, I'm back out here getting at it with the septic tank. All the lines are dug. I went ahead and got the pipe laid out to start running to the tank, and also got the leach field line ran out as well. Gary and Mel from Simple Life Reclaim are on their way over. They're going to help me run the lines today and get all of this backfilled. Hopefully everything goes smooth today and we don't run into no major issues, and we can get this septic tank wrapped up today. All right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get started while I'm waiting on Simple Life Reclaim. I've already put a little rock in the ditch. The only reason I'm putting rock on this side right here is just so it can compact down a little bit better, so I don't have to worry about no waves in this pipe as it starts settling. I'm gonna go ahead and put a clean out trap right here at the beginning. That way we can run our first full piece of pipe going towards the septic tank. So let's go ahead and get that started. All right, now that we got the sanitary, I think it's called a sanitary tee or trap or something, we're gonna put this piece on right here. It's threaded on this end. And it's got a little lid, that way it can screw together. And I'll be able to clean this out if I ever need to. Little glue, rolling around, support this a little bit and then slide it down. There we go. And just like that, we got a clean out. We'll let this dry for a minute and then we'll start running our first piece of pipe. All right, from everything I researched, it looks like I need to do a 1/4 inch every foot. This is a 4-foot level, so it's going to be an inch drop every 4 foot. So we're going to try to make that happen. And right now we're at about 2 inches, so the pipe's going to need to come up some. Huh?
Is this good? You want me right here?
Probably on the other side of my truck so the tractor can get in here. All right guys, Gary just got here and Mel and the kiddos. and we are already out here getting it on the pipe. How's it looking, Gary?
We're pretty much there all the way to here.
Yeah.
It's a quarter inch drop for every foot.
Yeah. I'm finna push some dirt over this section that we already got right here. Do you want to go ahead and glue it at the end down there? I don't have it glued, it's just dry fitted right now.
Oh, okay.
So what happened was,
Hold that. Hit me on 20.
Slow down, mama, why you talk so mean? Good Lord, Nashville, it ain't what it seems. Got nice clothes, late night shows, boogie down at the bar, fiddle tunes and homemade booze, but it always goes too far. Shooting pool, crack a jack, take off now and don't look back, but hey, don't you wanna play? Hold on, sugar, why you look so sad? Come on now, mama, ain't nothing here so bad. You got fast cars, movie stars, party on down the street with Mary Jane, good cocaine, plenty down there again. Double down, throw some dice, take off now, don't think twice, but hey, don't you wanna play? Baby, come on. Tell me where you wanna go. Come on, wrap this thing. Double down, roll the dice, take off now. Don't think twice. Hey, don't you want to play? Say hey, don't you want to play?
Probably about. Wow, it is hot as what's happening up in here.
Oh yes.
We got the main line buried, septic tanks buried, and now we're working on the leach line. And it is hot, guys. It is kicking our butt. But we got a really big bed of rock right here. Then we're gonna put some tar paper down, and we're gonna work our way all the way down. Already got some rock on Uber. Gary's ready.
Oh yeah.
Mel's ready. Abe's ready. Abe said I ain't ready. It's hot. He's bored. I don't blame him. I wish I could go take a nap. But we're gonna get back at it. Come on. All right, guys, we done worked our way into the tiny house. We got the whole thing done outside, which I will show y'all in a minute once we're wrapping this video up. But we're still going. Gary has dug all the foam out from around the pipe, and he's got his little concrete saw right there, grinder, and he's also got a little oscillating that we can cut it nice and flush. We're gonna go ahead and set the flange here, that way it's got time to dry and it's nice and level before Anthony and Roxanne comes from Country Road Cure tomorrow to help me with the plumbing, and we're gonna be flushing. Come on. Yes sir, I do. You know, I know the concrete crew that did this.
Yeah.
And I think that they're pretty good, so we should be pretty close to level.
Oh, we're pretty much there.
I don't know, that concrete crew, they were doing some funny things.
Hey, well, you know, we was hanging out the buckets and everything, but we had to get it level.
Yeah.
You didn't know that we're part-time mud muckies. Come on. Woo! Alright guys, I did not have the right flange for the toilet, so we did not get that completely set, but that's no big deal. I'll pick one of them up in the morning. But the septic tank is in all the way over there, all the way to about right there. It is plenty far enough away from the well to not have to worry about any contamination. And that is a big one off the checklist, guys.
That's huge.
Huge one.
Huge, David.
Yeah, we are close to pooping like a normal human being.
No more bucket life reclaimed.
You know?
Oh man.
I think my granddaughter is going to be very, very happy that she can just flush a toilet.
Yeah.
Because she literally, guys, have been stressing it, and that's why I'm pushing so hard to get it done. I want it done for Hazel too. For me, I'm used to it at this point. It is what it is, but it's really for my guests. But my granddaughter has literally asked me about 3 times, Papa, how am I going to go to the bathroom?
Yeah.
So I wanted to make that as easy as possible for her. So, and she ain't going to be here for a little while, so I think we're on a good track to get that done. But I want to thank these 2 guys right here.
Mostly Gary. I just was film crew, but hey, I was cheerleading.
Hey, it's a team. It's a team effort.
Gary and you killed it.
Y'all you moved all the cameras, and I didn't have time to deal with the cameras today. So
you're welcome.
That was a lot of back and forth.
yeah, that was a lot. And guys, it is hot today.
Yes.
Hot. I am soaking wet right now. Gary's soaking wet.
Yeah.
Whoo, Jenny Craig, you ain't got nothing on this. Come on.
It's gross outside.
Yeah, it's nasty.
I think it's the hottest it's been all year so far.
Oh, it's gonna be because we was out in the sun all day.
Yeah, naturally, right?
Yep. It was all nice clearing all these trees for everything, but the downside is it gets hot.
Yeah, it's like a spotlight is on you and it's relentless.
But I think that's gonna be about it for this one, guys. It's been 2 days of straight getting it, and the septic tank is complete, just like this video. So make sure that you go check their channel out, Simple Life Reclaim. Go check them out because they do some cool stuff over there. Come on. And I'm getting out of here, so until we see each other again, guys, come on. Hey, let's go on another adventure.
Later.
Later.